Hello, this is me, Ali Raza, an owner of a Google Partner Company. Let's get started with the new query we have got today. Okay, the query is can Google Ads test demand? Okay, I have my landing page built and I have yet to run ads. Okay, I'm planning to spend 1,000 total, including the promo $500 credit, and I was wondering if 1,000 is enough to give me a signal to jump on. I have heard that Google takes a long time to actually get consistent conversion, so I'm curious if Google Ads worth going into. I'm also scared that if I get theoretically 8 conversions this month and 0 conversions the next, I'm jumping on a false positive. I'm selling one product, earmuffs for sleeping for $50. My ad is currently in the process of getting verified. My campaign is a shopping ad and I have connected it to Shopify. I have added a maximum bid on click and negative words. I would appreciate any thoughts on my process so far and your opinion if Google Ads is worth pursuing in the position I'm in. Thanks, TIA, thanks in advance. Okay, so you are at a very early stage, and the 8 conversions you have got is just a theoretical mind in your set. Okay, the reality may be different. Okay, and Google does takes time to in order to figure out what kind of a conversions you have, what kind of people are converting for you. So this whole process takes time, and dollar 1,000 can be good to give Google a good signal. But if you keep on changing accounts to get the promo, no, this doesn't work around, and you may end up losing the audience you have worked around. For all of this to work, you need to have your conversion tracking enabled on your Google Ads account. You need to install Clarity to record user sessions on what people are doing, and an amazing CTR with lots of call to actions to convince user, to urge user to take an action, plus an amazing Google Ads optimized campaign to get it worked around. So there are so many factors, and you have decided to go with the shopping ad. Um, are you have you connected with the Google Merchant Center or not? This is also not yet to be figured out, and this looks tough, this looks challenging, and I think that you need to work a lot before you say something. And $1,000 is a good amount to get started, to get around, to get work, to see what people are thinking. Earmuffs comparison versus you versus your competitors. Why you? Just consider yourself as a visitor and move around on your website to see why you over your competitors. What are your what people are saying regarding your service, why you are special from your competitors. So just also these questions need to be answered before figuring it out. So I think there are so many things, so you are in an early stage to decide. So good luck with your Google Ads campaign. I hope I just given you the answers for your question. And if you or anyone needs a professional Google Ads services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Our company name is aarswebs.com, and we help clients like you to work with Google Ads. As a Google partner, we have been helping clients for years. So we look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye-bye.